I hope there's tap to pay. I forgot my wallet.
Here you go.
I'll be back for sure, so.
All right, man. Here's a free wash.
Thank you, sir.
Just swipe it like a credit card, and it'll give you a wash.
Okay, thank you, man. I really appreciate that.
All right. Yeah, no problem. Just come back.
Oh, I'll be back. What's going on, YouTube? We got the GSX out. About to go take it to the spray wash. It's in dire need of a wash. I'm probably just going to pressure wash it. Just get all the little surface dirt off. Just kind of giving you a little walk around. You can tell it's just been sitting. Not getting a whole lot of love. Kind of just babying her, but quick shifting, and I probably build about 20 pounds of boost in between those shifts. Still enough to have fun. That was about 30 pounds. Hop over in front of me too. This is a pretty fun little windy road. I'm gonna just let them go on about their way. Bump here sucks. Feel that second click on going into gear kind of threw me off. They was driving weird. They was still braking after their turn. what's going on with my AFR. Sometimes it'll get up to their 20s and stuff, and it's like fluctuating, but my log looks fine. I think it's my injector dead time and the pulse width of the injectors. I don't know, I still need to dial them in. They're 1100 cc injectors, so kind of finicky. They could need cleaned as well. These injectors came with the car. I know my cousin for sure had them for, I want to say at least 8 years at least, just sitting around, so I'm sure. And I kind of just threw them in and got the ECU to recognize them. So I'm sure they need flow tested and all that. And the sock on the Walbro fuel pump, it's a 255 liter per hour Walbro fuel pump, and I haven't pulled it out of the tank, so I'm sure that could use a replacing. But it's all good. All that stuff's in due time. That wasn't the best shift ever. It's like I want to have the window down and hear it, but the wind is just a lot today. It's a nice Infinity right there. Can't tell if he wants to play around or what. Kind of came shooting out at me. Guess I could have just turned right there. It's a nice Corvette. Everybody has their little toys out today. Let's listen to that chop. And my AFR has been cutting out. I just got a new wideband O2 sensor, so I'm not sure what's going on with that. It was 80 bucks for the replacement. I got the Bosch. dark green look to it. It was beautiful. I thought it was black at first. I hope there's tap to pay. I forgot my wallet. I don't think there's going to be tap to pay. No tap to pay. It's a bummer. So this guy's here. He owns the car wash. He said, well, I might be able to send him some money, and he'll give me some, you know, coins. Go ahead and shut this off so we can at least talk to each other.
Figure out what I got here.
Okay. Oh, yeah, I should have known better.
You live close or?
Well, kind of.
Where you're at?
Yeah.
Up that way today. Hold on, let me see what the hell I got. I got something.
Okay.
Let me see what I got. There's. I hate to see you drive all the way back.
Yeah, the Red Eye Express, it's just two rough roads over there. I try not to
Yeah,
go through Newark. Oh yeah, it's nice. It's nice car wash,
yeah.
but
yeah, there you go.
I'll be back for sure. So
All right, man. Here's a free wash.
thank you, sir.
Just run and swipe it like a credit card, and it'll give you a wash.
Okay, thank you, man. I really appreciate
All
that.
right. Yeah, no problem. Just come back.
Oh, I'll be back.
All right.
There we go. Man, what a nice guy. That was really nice of him. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Man, I really appreciate that. That was really kind. I mean, I should have known better than to forget my wallet, but it is what it is. I'll be back. I'll repay it. always wonder if I should cut this kind of part of the videos out. Let me know if you guys enjoy chill driving as well. Just the reality of being out here on these public roads is that a lot of the time I'm driving just normal. So let me know what you guys think. Either I'm driving normal or I'm giving it beans like I'm about to. Easy, girl, easy. I sure wish there was somebody out here to fool around with. Maybe see a little Camaro SS or something. I see one earlier, but I was in my daily. Just to have fun with. I don't really know what to compare this car to yet because I hardly get the chance to find anyone out having fun. Something like that Mustang right there would have been, you know, worth having fun with. So we made it home. Hi Bella. Made it home. Pretty uneventful, just cruise. Got on it here and there. Super thankful that guy helped us out with the spray wash. I mean, it's not clean. There's already grass all over it. I went through some black grass clippings. But that's alright. Once it dries, it'll fall off. It's whatever. Pretty much just went on a ride just because it was sitting. But hope you guys had a good little cruise with me, and we'll see you on the next one. Peace.